Chemo akwa Badwam TV Badwam dwumade no so yedanyame ase nabena so okate asefo ho dwumade no yasase se Badwam wonum tom de di so ye kase no ensam no ne to do mo bi ya wo betini aban no ye ne se birth and death registry ho obehye won mo ekena ne ma wo mo hia bema adwuma na koso no o de bema won ye de no so ebebro ye bebo awuram ne ahwete pago so kwantempon no so contractor oda so ene wa sani dua gu adehye bi sofisa niema na ode beye kwan no kwabra na wia eno ne nsem bi na no pay mede bro sa Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra Go TV channel 119 DSTV 280 ko YouTube Adom TV tube braba mu awa wote wakunya achi a na ne okọ adomonline.com or read the stories no ho media afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de bientie se den samni chemu no ete ankasa aban ayese niema bia birth and death registry won mu hia no de bema won na mo adwuma so akototen se de tie osofo ya wo local government and rural development so Martin ade mensa kosa ene bo apro kohwe de ekoso ewo ho
timi peja saade no yefro ne ya bahai wo hwe ha kiosk yesi we be wo desk ana tables be ye 9 be serve nipa bebre mebisa no o kire se dakro utimi nya nipa be 400 abeba ha na baba be ye nema bebre de bebe hia ne se we betumi a peja bedmanum na de edidi akira ye nim ebeba no bebetimi asia no wo hwe so ababia nipa ti na meka se ene nsuoto awia bebo nipa be 400 timi ba ha baba we kwa be nu be 50 so high ma so yanwe na se nipa 400 go na beti awia so begina nsuo so a enyefe nti ye behwe se ye betimi anya mo bia be ma nipa ba ha setra be kama kakra
wasan edi tudwa se bebi a womo edi wono adwuma no enye womo ankasa edia na nhyehyeye ahodo egu akwan mu ede mom a enche bia no womo benya womo office akoye won adwuma
ni aboa se bentra fa kakra nti as a ministry ye ya hobo se ye besi dan a esefata birth and death na betimi akoye bedwumadi ho but in the meantime no akade bia ye hia se ye de boa ma bedwuma no pija na etimi som Ghana man yi no ye be ye nipa nya iwo nipa nya awo se awo ni wo to twade a na ho hia
pani kwantrefo eda Kofijo Construction Limited Kofijo odidua na emu odene ama de hye bia won mo ewia wonuma enema na wom de ye tepane go so kwantempon no ene wasane duagu adwumayefo a woni bi maka bomu ewia materials no wasane duagu won so munchiremu eni
nipa sabe awafo awontama sabe contractor ni be adwuma no bi o se afre me twame bro afre mba bisimi dai na enema no a yere baba adwuma ebebo oman abo oman Ghana aboa akyenswaman ene afoma no na obi efre nkra no no top cement from ho we say nyame no men kan obi obi say be nyakopon no men kan no ya ba say baba adwuma no ya de aboa Ghana no de aboa afoman te contractor makopo bi sikan baba adwuma ade asemo ya asemo de paibo betamachie na ade am ye no be ye na hye nyakopon ni monyam
George Boache ayi ahafomanta mu so afo ono nso kire mu se the contractor fo bi wo hono mu a etues kakase ma wonum se wonyi kwan ya na waye adwuma basa amoman no ha na adwene pa san se ya na nya nsonsanso obone wo man no so
problem kase pa ne se ye kwan a ye nyani age na ka edim se aban ofiri ado okobi na so be kobi no na no asase me de me fa football no e ma contractor for no ya na me de ma consultants no e fi sabu na mo hwe dwumadie re so ama dwumadie no e che a wo na obeka mesrew sa hafo de eye ene ye pe ye se o se kwai kasa kese fa so kopa eti measurement na
ene me kasa mrashe bedwafie majority ne minority nyina tre nkrata ba ko efa personnel a ye fa won wo security agency ni mu e wa mantam dunsia no emo
Interior had announced earlier on that they are going to engage in a number of recruitment across the security services, to the extent that we heard that 11,000 Ghanaians, according to the Chronicle, will be recruited into the security services. We had raised concerns referencing the nature and how this recruitment reportedly was going to be handled. And the minister obviously responded to our press conference. So there was some element of banter between the NDC minority and the MPP majority.
And Wechi, Patricia P.J. Yawano, a deputy majority leader, and so the can say.
I'm very happy that at this point in time, when we met, we have understood the whole process, and we know that we are going to advertise, and people are going to ensure that the ordinary man on the street will have access to it. We want to reiterate and we want to emphasize that no fees.
Also for her fishermen so Henry Cote and so Kachat will say.
The recruitment exercises for the security agencies under the Ministries of Interior will be advertised with a clause. The clause is those who went online to apply in 2021 and 2022 and for some reason have still not been able to go through the process. But I must be quick to add and bring clarity.
Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana trying to SITAC. One more say one more strike and a one more because he said one more semuntia, one more strike and a buying ayama woman. On your dear Omguso, a watching him.
Colleges of Education Teachers Association of Ghana SITAC ewo etuatim ene wa friends and chofo ihyiamu ewa santemantem ha ene abutu man se enya ade se womo ebetwe womo etuatena sensen enkosi se aban behwe na waye wona hiade a wo hwehwe no ede ama womo Mr Prince Obenhima ena ye president ede ma SITAC ne fa wa santemantem ha wo chekere ne nsemu sei
not until say aban be implement arbitral awards no to the letter. Yen strike na yasha say a destiny striker yasha say ayi wo mu no yen colonel off enne yen colonel off ochina baby a edru no mpanimfo se wo yefunu ye oya na so wa anwen wo se a oya ohwe wanim ne hu se wo yefunu ye oya baby a edru no yen kofo ni bia akọ retirement ehwe wo mabra bom after all years of service to the colleges now shana bra bom after retiring. After 60 and yari ani ade chance eyi ne ho na Ghana ha nyina enim se salary a wo retire e wo so no en na kire pension arrangement a aban betumi ayama wo na se yetumi implement we na amanfo nya level be in terms of salary no matumi anya decent pension na aban e nice no e ha adwen
Yegusoya wongumasino emu na National Council the Ghana National Association of Teachers and so any Deputy Minister Education Professor Kingsley Nyako any mpenifo ba womo na so womo sorija womo hokra fisa bo hye no aban ne hye womo se teacher ni bia benya laptop no ebi anya bimbi enya bi na de womo yakra ne wo ha mu nchemu aduasa 30% bi etete free won sika mu wo laptop no ho a wonya bi ni ntia no so mu nsem enie
teacher ni bia esika ana se educational workers yeti obia sika se ye de air laptop abrayen yetua sika wei November 2021 yeka emfia mienu ni ya chachafo no bebre enya omo laptops no je wo July na se laptops ni yensan kan na achachafo nka bom kuo batan ya friend nat ya ba be hie mo ha the district chairman ya wo Ghana ha nyina ya kan ye ho abom se ansa na laptop no ebaba no amba enya de se ye kwatena se aye 2024 National Council meeting
achechefo bia ebe adwumadie yase ne Adom kase nko bom no che se
aban mayati ase se your the laptops in my and near man anke be was standard based curriculum ni mu no ye the begu laptop ne so na boa ama teacher ni no atibi atoto ne nsa akirade yi yansanka laptop no etimi bisa se yen ochirechirefo na wodi abro anase Ghana mofra na ye di on abro e ya semsebe
na otwemienu penie no ye twem kra se ye kohwese na BC ni ko ya ye teacher fo na mo hye mu ho kra no na ne ono mpeso mo ye no na nya agro because omo hu a omo fi say because temate omo to aba maame ti omo adwen say meka omo a o say fight for ye pre na laptop ne ba no but omo hu say enya hwe wo omo dwen say enya ho hwe
amansanchia mi pedi bi mi kwama ne ba
ya che nipa edubi ama ye de won akwa akotum Maxim Circuit Court ene de won mo akwa akoto afiase ana aposifo kokomo wo kwan ya wo fa so si hini bi ewo elembele na dissect nso kire say public order act no ena wo mabu ani aguso mu nkire mu nso eni
bele we are not ready say mo obi ade mrana ide ahye nsem as far as we remain here as members of dissect the bele adwuma our constitution no ade ahye yensa say me ye omampani anam sini na enunti no omamam tumi say dissect no me na no me mo asomdwe ho ban ye mo bia kwan e mane fa mane che nsem na asomdwe a ekoso no ye me no enti fom e mane mbese enkofa asem fo ye de e meye
wasan edi tudwa se esese dissect ebem na womo ehwe ema emra eye adwuma pa enipa duyi a womo achi omi edi omo eko police station no womo de omo beko pie mu ewo court eye August Bosume no da edi kan
the entumi engina hanom enteki site nti enteki site ana yenya krata bia kire se omahene no yetu no ana ye de nja hye de atu no so e obinim application omakasa mo show mu se kapem mra case no ombedi awie no nti ye twen ye wa twen mu ye sre nananom ye bo ahinde ho ban se na be ya otena under group en sorry se nana nim enyem fe nana chebule ne nyem fe ndi pesem tu no na se beti ase de chino na chebule esa nyede beba ye district nye ntumi so
yato Adom TV Badwam kase no so wo mrahye bedwa film na dia entansie na ensi bebre na no esiye bra piempani me kire speaker ora aban baben eye ne sese hwi oso mrahye bedwani wapom no afri eye chambers eye Dr. Kwaku afriye ewo esune ban bi a wodan na de nti de course wo ho eni.
You want to speak? If you want, I'll grant you the opportunity. Yes.
Mr. Speaker, with all due respect to your chair, these preliminary remarks you are making are prejudicial, and I believe that as representing the good people of Serbia also, it doesn't lie in your mouth to remind us of the things that you said. Thank you.
I can send you out of the house now. It lies in my authority to do so. You represent the good people of Sekiwiaso. I represent the whole country. Please, Marshal, take him out of the house. Marshal, take him out of the house. I will not entertain such disrespect. It lies in my mouth.
Yeguswaya wo mrahye bedwa film na speaker so de ato won mo enim ba no Supreme Court penifo mienu bi a yapa wo mo se wo mo emeye adwuma no eno so de ato mrahye bedwafo animo onwenwe hu mu bo ho ehwania ebeko.
The state has, by letter dated 15 July 2024, notified me of the successful completion of the consultation process. I am therefore, in further accordance with Article 1442, seeking the approval of Parliament for the appointment of the nominees as Justice of the Supreme Court.
Child Protection and Advocacy Manager World Vision Ghana Gregory Derry they to a judge school feeding program and Nessanwe say ye no na nyina gina said ya dan no amanyon sem o se ebre no so say social protection bill no ye pass ye na fe ye nya politics a edwumadi edidi.
The Attorney General, he made some comments. We met over it, reviewed the comments. I'm told the Attorney General had done some further work on it. It has even gone to cabinet level for now. And that is where it's stuck. Because from there, it's supposed to be going to Parliament for Parliament to also go through the processes of their first hearing, second hearing. But as we speak, how many more days do they have to sit before they rise for the next general election? We are just hopeful, because we also have insider information that they are also the Attorney General Department is pushing hard for it to go out.
Wasan edito Ghana for enim awofo enim se womo enhwe se womo ebe sore akasetia school feeding program enhihya wodu agu akwam a enkoye no na yade ebeboa ma aban no egina ne naso.
If you and I, our children were in these communities, will you be happy for these children to feed on this type of food? I think it is a shame to Ghanaians that in this day and of this age, we cannot run a program such as school feeding program well. It is one of the policy issues that we are picking up and want to advocate for the next 3 years. School feeding should not be left to the politicians who come and decide how to run it. Government should regularize it, ensure that the institution or the establishment, the secretariat is well established, grounded in law.
Adom TV Badwam na ohye no na Parks and Gardens penifo se won ma ye krado wo monsa sibia ye be say ye ton ana ye yi won free so no de won mo ma ho kwan ne anachna local government swafo up abo ensra akohonom ena odin semi etuda
obi na odi by force waka ne nam kona bia chochu esika bia I don't know whether we cheska onyo no person obaji asasi na asasi no say aton a ncha me as a director menye file bia mo so sale of government or Parks and Gardens land me hu na ma catch me hu bibia Parks and Gardens for no ye bayila ho juna se bi wa ba fa ya asasi nti me ya ni say yeah, we interface that person with some serious alluter.
Swafo our share local government decentralization and rural development so Martin Ajemen Sakosa ichiremu se aban ebe do betun bia se de obebo ensase ne ho ban.
Sese me no kasai obia ni wa ye ne wasem bia ka wa ha. Yenim sa asase we ye aban dia a ye bo ho ban ama ban. Se ye betra se na obi ba be wuram aba be fa ensi. Not in our time. And you know, you better say, Sena Mobisano, you're intact. Papa, on the net, you're for her. The BCBA anytime beyond a Sebe Yasutri. Now, Yama be instructions also on what to do to protect the premises that they occupy.
My Adom TV, Badwam Kasia, na hana bema kwina no pay. Ya DSC ya da se umre no wadaje a wo de fam ye kwaso anani entina fei na ya de bon krata no ene online stories no ebro okwa adomonline.com and something nyina so egu ho Facebook/Adom TV ya dem live wo ho Go TV 119 DSTV 280 YouTube ya Adom TV Tube social media handles ni na ko ho a ya wo ho podcast nso jebre na show bi a wo mese ya opeso tie no e ho so kwa obenya bi medi afia amankwa tamaklo ni free ha best mamienu ye kwaba ya twaso